Una good day today my people. How una dey? Welcome back to Naijagistcentral. Today gist hot well and e get sense pass small. No fake news o, no insult. Na clean breakdown we go do today. Abeg o, make we start from one wey don scatter social media since yesterday. You don grab your popcorn, you don grab your drink and listen to the end. Veteran singer Baba don enter the ongoing debate wey dey trend online about comparing Wizkid to Afrobeat legend Fela Anikulapo-Kuti. For one recent podcast, Baba talk say dis kind comparison no make sense. E dey ridiculous and e dey disrespectful, and e still dey unfair to Wizkid because of how both musicians take do their thing for different eras and different impact levels. E talk say Fela legacy strong kakaraka and Wizkid achievement no suppose dey measured with that same scale. Respect to both areas dey very important. E talk say Fela no be just musician. Fela na activist, na rebel, na man wey use music fight military government, police brutality, oppression and bad governance. Baba explain say different generation get different battles. Wizkid dey represent this modern Afrobeat era, global stage, pop culture and commercial success. Fela on the other part dey represent resistance, protest music and political fight. So if you put them for the same scale, you go miss the real meaning of their impact. Fans reactions o, dey say Fela fight government, Wizkid dey conquer world stage. Different eras, different struggles. Respect legend, enjoy new stars. What this means is that you fit love Wizkid o, you fit respect Fela, but to compare them direct fit cause unnecessary dragging and disrespect online. Both of them are good music in their own eras. Next gist be apology matter o. E be like say after Mercy Johnson don arraign Okorie for inside prison, court case matter everything, actress Okorie, legit queen, don come out publicly to apologize to Mercy Johnson after the backlash wey she dey give am online. For her apology, Angela admit say some of the things wey she talk about Mercy Johnson about other people fit hurt them o. She say emotions fit make person talk anyhow. She also talk say she respect Mercy Johnson as her colleague for Nollywood. Well, she don talk about Mercy Johnson. She talk say Mercy Johnson no be witch, and she talk say make people no dey disrespect her children for anywhere. She say she no mean to disrespect Mercy Johnson o, and she dey sorry for any hurt wey she don cause Mercy Johnson with her words. As we know, Mercy Johnson no really dey drag people for internet. She dey keep her family and career low key. So when fans see Angela apology publicly, many fans talk say at least she accept fault. That one better pass pride. The real lesson: social media dey make people talk fast, but apology fit calm matter if person truly mean am. At least with this one, we know say court case and prison case no go further again o. We know say Mercy Johnson sef, her name na Mercy, so she go always have mercy on who deserves her mercy. Finally, last gist for today na one wey surprise many pipo. Veteran actress Omotola Jalade Ekinde Omosexy finally open up about her long time relationship with co-actress Genevieve Nnaji, and the rumour say dem no dey cool for Nollywood. Omotola tok say the industry e tough, competition e dey plenty, misunderstanding nko e dey. Two strong women for the same space fit clash sometimes. She explain say the media exaggerate their issue pass wetin really happen. At some point, both of dem experience period wey producers no dey call dem like before. Nollywood get politics behind the scenes wey fans no dey see o. Her message be say fame no dey permanent. Industry fit hype you today, forget you tomorrow. So actors and actresses suppose build themselves outside acting alone. Dis news dey welcome. We know say dem don settle their long standing issue, thank God o. So my pipo, na dis 3 strong gist we get for una today. Two baba clear air on Fela vs Wizkid comparison. Angela Okorie apologize to Mercy Johnson. Omotola finally talk about Genevieve and Nollywood politics. Which one touch you pass? Drop your thoughts for comment section. Like, share and subscribe to Naijagistcentral. We go see una next update. Sign out.